Tripura Motha Youth Organization YTF announces lockdown of all government offices including DM, SDM, BDO offices under Gomuti district on June 2nd over the issue of Gomuti DM Tarit Kanti Chakma humiliation to Bubagura Pradut Kishore Debarma. YTF President Suraj Debarma told this during a press conference held at Manikya Court on Saturday.
अभी तो पब्लिक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव আছে
YTF called for the closure of all government offices in Gomuti district on the June 2nd. On Saturday, YTF leaders held a press conference at Manikya Court in the capital over the issue of the ongoing conflict between the Gomuti district magistrate and Maharaja Pradut Kishore Debarma. In this regard, on May 26, the YTF held a press conference and informed that if no official action is being taken regarding Gomuti district magistrate, then all the government offices in Gomuti district will be closed. Which is why today on Saturday, YTF President Suraj Debarma, along with other leaders of YTF, announces lockdown of all government offices including DM, SDM, BDO offices in the Gomuti district on June 2nd in a press conference.
Hambai joto media sona Sengtini hain hai tesa YTF ni bekhakte press conference ma khaipika tangai nor joto na shiu thangnai 26 tarikh seng Manikya Court bahine seng press conference khaimani tamni henba 25 tarikh jesini Gomuti DM tai Bubagra ni bisingte jengman norabo jotiso saimana abate elaborate khaina nanglia so abon bai jesini kok 26 tarikh jesini kok tongmani je tumungno government of Tripura omnoti kuno serious action naya hangkai Seng Gomuti district ni joto official tongmani bebono shutdown khaina ya talar nai ne so buskangni 2 tarikh YTF Tripura Motha YTF TWF joto no thangai seng buskangni 2 tarikh aro talar nan thangai tong haisi and omo just kaisa chengmung tai aba being haisi omo just omo chengdrop se tumuno government of Tripura seng borno 4 din nama jago sapta kaisa ngai thangka omo tak ba hailangbe meng kono saya and seng sini joto honorable CM sini honorable Minister of State sini honorable MLS honorable MDC rok Chief Secretary JK Sinhaji bai bor thang malakya kintu bor just obna saw nai tongu nai tongmin means koidin nai tong abasang saiman leya 4 din somer mani sapta kacha kai tonga kintu obon bai tawso jara kunung ya koise abon bai sing tongi man leya sing nasingka बहुत जरूरत नहीं का 4 दिन जगह सप्ताह कैसे नहीं का अबन बगै 2 तारिख joto Gomuti ni je official samani sengaro thangai talana ni bai tabu प्रस्तुत जाखाइसे and agibo seng sajak tumuno oboni tei talar jagai tong hangkangkai oboni daikto amuk YTF Tripura Motha TWM ngla oboni daikto government of Tripura na haisi and sengmia khana ka koidin se sikang just men se sikang honorable chief minister Dr. Manik Shah ni seng au bin statement mu khana ka je bosabo hoite khoroni bisingo miscommunication kring laikhana but ang tabuk kebo khoroksani manchor manno ang kemno niche khainan baya but ang sungani muchung haisi o Gomuti district ni DM ni nglo ko sabatong borona sabo fundai tong borona bomhai binitai senior officer khoro bose bonatai fundai tong abosung saimia kintu bor tak sititi khaitong haisi amo sini sentiment sini boror ong ne bagai sung harding jak amo serious issues sini bagai buibaksa tini boro kaise koikte comment rai tonai khaise amo nor ni great Tripura land of nai tong haise ang bujina nai di situation na bujidi tarpore nung saiman de haise Bubagra sudu Tripura Motha ni face simia Bubagra ka sini Tripura ni face abon bai masini sentiment harding ka am bai singmon of ti belanya serious tumungno government of Tripura mona serious nai angkai bas kangni 2 tarikh simia abo sipai jolapa nang mano abo sauda pa nang mano abo khoya pang mano abo noto pa nang mano abo unokoti pano entire district go am effect ngai thana haisi Khoroksa DM ni ti government of Tripura bo judina borok omno ti seriously ha Khoroksa DM ni bai bor bo pressure tang tung haisi and oboni dekto YTM ngala common dekto government of Tripura na haisi because government of Tripura jotis to sibo tam khainai tam khaya om hai DM rongno sung nangya karon om hai BAP culture sung nuka mian se sikang bahinyo sung kaisa DM sini unokoti ni DM khorja tongo bo daily no salbrum no bo public ni bagai bo ngotong tam sanai bo daily bin bai jora tongo ba DM ni bum kasini Dilip Kumar Chakma bawa IS DM ni bongka unokoti district ni 24/7 bo public representatives bo public servant hisabai bo public ni zorari tong hai se inga bo khorta dm no gumoti dis ni bo tang mayang ba boi kabang ma abro tini news sungo bo ba grale tamni bagai horni satau thangi malai nangkha ba public servant no ni bagai dm and collector no bagai 24/7 borong bai jora ma tongnai je representatives oni bagai hai se and tomuno bo a jora malai maya hangkai bo kaisa bono kaisa tenure rimane kaisa bono day rimane je tinin dino malai me ba khana soni ma malai ne haisi am haini malai no problem kintu am hai kono malai jagya direct na phone ti kok sabo na kok sajagya jabu to sangnu ka social media bising ti kabang ma text kamani aba viral man no khanor joton nu khana haisi so aba clear haisi gumoti dm knowingly or not totally boba grone avoid khamen sangnu ka but binin ko sabatong kabang ma tongi mano maybe government officials government of tribunal officials tongmano maybe je kun political party ni boro tongmano amen tini mo action na jagya tumuno bo action na jay hankan boron face khaiting aite sing je sini public sini lukorona sing samane talarnai means rone abo sini guarantee karon sing bobagrani warriors ro sing agini buni youth wing haya haise sing sudu political party simia sing socially bo sing lukorona seba khaina musungo bobagrani bisingtei jotisto sini borona jeman mane sing subana musung haise.
And not only that, if their demands are not met soon, similar incidents may happen in other districts of the state in the coming days. The YTF leadership warned this in a press conference on Saturday. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini Khorang.